Going on, everybody? We are open for lunch over here and dinner now at Poppy's Bar and Chill. Check it out. Mercy's in here with one of her friends. Say hello.
Hello.
Came back for more, huh?
Yes, for more.
Everything was good today?
Yes, very good.
All right, good. We got Joe over here today. Again, he's been back several times, and look at this burger. Oh my goodness, this jalapeno double. Oh my gosh, it's bacon, cheddar, jalapeno. Look at that.
Look at that. Let's spin that around so everybody can see all the angles. Look at that. Yeah.
Now, what did you get here, Joe?
That's the Hungry Man.
You got the Hungry Man skillet.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Like I said, guys, we are open now. We didn't plan on opening up for dinner time till a couple weeks, but we just started rolling with it. So officially tonight, we are going to be open. The bar is going to be open. We're going to be open till 11 p.m. Unless there's more people here, we'll stick it out. But yeah, that's the norm. 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. nightly, every day of the week. We'll have basic well drinks and beers going. We do plan on having a Super Bowl Sunday morning, which is a Monday morning here, 7:30. We open at 7, like I said, so come on in here and watch the Super Bowl with us. We'll be all set up for it right here on the big screen here in the restaurant. Pretty much every seat in the house can see it. Some seats are better than others. But yeah, we're getting there, guys. One little step at a time.
Eric, I will probably have a Super Bowl package because the Super Bowl is so early. If anybody wants to come and stay at the hotel and then have breakfast, a Super Bowl breakfast, and watch the game, hang out through lunch, we'll throw a package together. So keep an eye out on our Facebook page for that announcement.
Cool. Here you guys go. Here's a buffalo chicken sub. We got house-made blue cheese on here, plus some blue cheese crumbles. Check it out. This is what I like, guys. Hot and spicy, delicious. Chicken tenders chopped up on there. Just like that. Let's see what's going on here. Let's try this big old buffalo chicken sandwich. I gotta try to keep it all together, guys.
Oh. How is it? He's still working on it.
Lost for words.
Lost for words. That's the first. Oh, he's going in for more.
Killing me. These big old jalapenos calling my name right here.
Oh man, he's going in. He's going to town on that.
The blue cheese.
The blue cheese.
Probably could have cut it in half.
Well, what fun would that have been?
I'm losing all my chicken right here.
Oh, that's for later.
Yeah. I'll mop that up in a minute.
Yeah.
Man.
Oh, he's not going to stop. All right, so what's the verdict? Nom, 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 nom. Girls, he might need something to wash this down. Maybe a root beer or a float. Some iced tea.
Man.
Bottomless Poppy's iced tea.
Bottomless water.
Bottomless service water.
Bring me an order of the cheap bastard, please.
Girls, I'll tell you what the cheap bastard is later.
It's going on the menu.
They're hiding.
It's going on the menu real soon. Cheap bastard breakfast.
Poppy, can you tell us a little bit about the cheap bastard?
I can.
What is that?
So the cheap bastard consists of one slice of toast, wheat or white, it's your choice.
Your choice.
We don't hold nothing back here at the Great Coffees. 1 pat of butter, one egg cooked your way.
Your way.
In the grease from somebody that could afford a real breakfast. And you might get a little bit or flavor of the bacon from that grease. Oh, and don't forget, bottomless room temperature.
Room temperature service water, bottomless.
99 pesos, the cheap bastard. That's what you get here.
That's it, guys. It's going to have that bacon flavor from the skillet that cooked the bacon from somebody who could afford a real breakfast here at Poppy's Bar and Chill.
That's right.
At Drake Hotel.
Going on the menu. All right, guys. We have come up with something crazy here at the Drake. We have come up with a promotion right now. What's it going to be, Mark? What are we doing?
First of all, we have lost our minds. We have lost our minds.
Yeah, right.
I mean, I'll tell you what. Girls, what did we just discuss?
All the rooms will be for $9.99 per night.
What? Say that again?
$9.99 per night.
And how?
$9.99
Oh
per
no,
night.
$9.99.
We have lost our minds. How will we survive and pay our bills for $9.99 a night? Ladies,
great. Yeah.
this is a great promotion, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
But this is a limited time promotion during our soft opening. So come on down, check out the Drake for $9.99 a night. Stay in one of our nice rooms. Doesn't matter which room. We even have our deluxe room that we've remodeled. That is normally $2,200 per night. So that is a big saving.
First come, first serve,
First come,
everybody.
first serve.
Yeah, so come and book it. Stay here the weekend. We got the Super Bowl coming up here pretty soon, guys. I don't know if we'll still be doing this promo during that time, but
Well,
you never know.
Yeah, so our grand opening will be Valentine's Day. Super Bowl is the day before Valentine's Day. So really, we're going to be shooting for the Super Bowl weekend, that weekend. So that's the 13th?
Yep.
So that weekend, we are going to definitely have our grand opening. Everything will be 100% full menu. The bar will be ready. All of our staff will be fully trained. You come here and see these lovely ladies here at the desk. Rent a room. We're going to do all kinds of different promotions. We'll definitely do a Super Bowl promotion and a Valentine's Day promotion. So be following our Facebook page for that. But until then, special promo, $9.99. Come stay here, check out the restaurant, and just enjoy the Drake in Poppy's Bar and Chill.
Enjoy the Drake. Yeah, guys. We just thought about it. It was just like, you know what? We need to get some people experiencing this. We've had several people stay with us already, and everybody's had really good reviews about the hotel, their stay here. Many of the people staying here says it's more like an American experience, like an American standard. All the rooms they have duvets on the bed. One of the
Comforters.
Yeah, we have comforters. Where do you find a comforter in the Philippines on a bed? Nowhere. So they're very comfortable, air conditioning, we got cable TV, Wi-Fi. I don't know what else you could ask for, $9.99, that's crazy. I know there's other hotels in the area, probably that price. Or that's usually a promotional price, and then you get to the hotel and it's like, no sir, that room's taken, all we have left is this room. Every room in the Drake, $9.99 right now. Come check us out, stay here, stay a week, stay a weekend, make it happen, guys. All right, guys, it's so much fun every day, beating all the subscribers coming in. Check it out, a table full. We have some subscribers here from New Jersey.
Yeah.
I'll edit that pause out, make it seem so fluid. What's your name, sir? Introduce yourself to the YouTube world.
My name's Dan.
Dan?
And this is my fiance, Hermie.
Hermie.
I am the Pinay.
The Pinay. All right.
You know.
Excellent. So you got the family with you here. Brought the whole family, it looks like. Say hello, everybody. So how was the food? Okay?
Yeah.
All right. I like that. I like that. What did you have, sir? What did you have tonight?
I had the Mercy Burger.
The Mercy Me. Have Mercy on Me burger. Yeah, the only reason, we named it that is because it's the only single patty burger on the menu right now. So it's like, have mercy on me. I can't eat two big old third-pound patties, you know?
One of your customers eat that big double.
Yeah, the big double burger. Yeah, that's a mess, but it's delicious. Excellent. So I'm glad you guys made it out. So nice to meet all of you. And hopefully you come back and visit us again soon.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Where you want in on here?
You want in on this?
Bring it around here.
Oh, come on. Why not? Come on, I'm doing a blooper take right
On the
now.
bottomless video.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Even the deluxe room, it's only 999.
Yeah.
First come, first serve.
Room in the hotel.
All right, so tell everybody. First of all, we have a new addition to the team, right?
You gotta introduce.
Introduce the.
This is
All right, take two. Take two. All right, start over.
Hi guys, we have a new member of the group and her name is Angie.
Angie.
Her and the pack is super and chill.
Angie, you almost need a stool to see over the top of the bar. I'm just to be honest.
We need
Almost eye level.
It's almost eye level with you.
And is this glass half empty or half full? That's the question. Half empty or half full?
half empty.
What?
Half full. Oh, that's the no one knows that answer. But here, Poppies, if it looks like this, that means it's half empty, and you need to
Fill it up. Yeah.
All right, but we'll get to that later.
You sure you didn't work for the Lay's potato chip company?
I think she might have worked for the Lay's potato chip company. Have you ever bought a bag of Lay's brand new and you open up the bag and it's half full? They didn't fill it to the top. You know what I'm saying? You open a bag of chips and it's half empty.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're all broken into pieces.
Yeah, that's so sad. We're not like that at the Drake Hotel. Our glasses are always full.
Always
plates are
full.
always full, and all of our customers leave full.
That's right. Very full. So
Girls?
what is the deal?
What is the deal? Is there something you all want to tell our customers about?
What kind of deal we
For
got?
now we have a promo. It's $999.
$999.
$999 all the rooms. Any rooms you want.
There you go.
You can come here at Drake Hotel and see us here at Pamp's Bar and Chill.
All right. Any room, $9.99. First come, first serve. Even the deluxe room.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
So Nike, let me make sure I got this right. If I come tonight to the Drake Hotel and I want that new remodeled deluxe room that is normally $2,200 per night, I get that for $999.
Only.
Only $999. What a deal, guys. So let me also get this right. If I stay here and it only costs me $999, I've saved so much money I can eat anything I want at Poppy's Bar and Chill, right?
Pretty much. And drink all you can, too.
Drink all you can.
I'm here at Pampis Bar and Chill.
All right. That sounded like a commercial, like you rehearsed that.
You know how long the promo is gonna last?
How long is that gonna last?
You didn't say that.
I did say, guys,
to know that?
I said it's gonna last until I say so.
Until he says so.
It's a limited time offer, guys. Limited time. So come take advantage of it while you can. Save some money. Stay at a great hotel. Meet some nice girls here. They're going to take good care of you and feed you some good food.
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. That's it for the video. Thanks for joining us on today's video. We have been here just busy as could be, getting everything ready for you guys to visit us. Come here to stay at the Drake. Come and eat at Poppy's Bar and Chill. We're getting more and more menu items ready every day. Now we're open all the way up to 11 o'clock or longer if you guys want to come out and spend some time out of the bar, have some drinks.
Come to eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Oh, if you want.
And dinner.
All day. All day.
Spend the day with us. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. We'll see you on the next video.
See ya.